Hey, 6th grade, this is a math video. If you are not yet finished with lesson 159, then you should not be watching this because I will give answers for lesson 159 in this video. The biggest reason that I am giving this is because on Tuesday, April 28th, there is a math test. Test 16. So this is going to be a review of test 16. But first of all, let's look at lesson 159, which is due for April the 27th. All right. So if you're finished with 159, have your papers out. Number 1, multiplying compound measures. You multiply both separately. 10 feet, 9 inches. You multiply 9 times 2 would be 18 inches. And 10 times 2 would be 20 feet. Then you divide the inches by 12 inches in a foot, right? Divide that. The remainder will be your inches. You will have a 6-inch remainder, and you will have 1 will be your divide. You will have 1 remainder 6. So the 1 gets added to feet, and the remainder 6 is your inches. So your answer should be for number 1, 21 feet 6 inches. Number 2, 182 minutes 40 seconds. Number 3, 4 pecks 6 quart. Number 4, 29 bushel. If you have 0 pecks, 29 bushels, 0 pecks, that's fine. Just 29 bushels is all you need. Number 10 is 6 meters squared. Number 11 is 7 kilometers squared. Number 12 is 9.75 inches. 13 is 10.92 meters. Number 14, you need both centimeters and millimeters. Within 1 millimeter of this, so you need either, the book has 54 millimeters, so I need either 53, 54, or 55 millimeters, okay? And then if you have 54 millimeters, it's 5.4 centimeters. So if you have 53 millimeters, 5.3, 54, 5.4, 55, 5.5. The big number, 54, is millimeters, and then the decimal number will be your centimeters, 5.4. Number what? Number 24, volume of a cube. Edge cubed, I think, is how you solve it, right? So 3 times 3 times 3. Number 24, the answer is 27 millimeters cubed, or cubed millimeters. Millimeters with a little 3, or cubed millimeters. And number 25 would be a rectangular solid, 6 cubic feet, 6 feet cubed. Number 26 would be 1,728 cubic feet. All right, that was lesson 159. Now we have just a quick look at what is on test 16. Test 16 review. You will need to know how to make a circle graph. All right, there will be a chart to fill in and make the circle graph. Now I have a number of videos about this, so go back to the lesson where it is make a circle graph. There'll be a video on that date when that lesson was due if you're not sure. Most of you did pretty good. Most of you did well. on the circle graph on your, what was it, assignment. That was lesson 151. That might be the, yeah, go back there to see how to do it. Lesson 151, all right? Compound measures, add and subtract. That means 12 feet, 6 inches plus 10 feet, 9 inches. However you do that, you will add and subtract those. There will be one addition, one subtraction. There will not be any multiplication on that, all right? Convert. You will be converting kiloliters to liters, kilograms to pounds, and hectares to meters squared. Those are the exact ones that are on your test, so please memorize the numbers. How many kilograms to a pound, or how many pounds in a kilogram. Know how to do kiloliters to liters, hectares to meters squared. Okay? I'm giving you those. You memorize the numbers. You. Sorry. Don't mean to wave a stick at you. I did kind of. Formulas. A couple of these formulas, it will say, write the formulas down. So you will have to know the formulas. But then others you will have to solve. So you have to know the formulas for all of these. I'm not going to tell you which formulas that you're writing down and which ones you're going to solve. But if you know the formulas for all of these, then you can write them down if you need the formula, and you'll know how to solve them. You need to know how to find the area of a square, the area of a triangle, and the area of a circle. What's the formula? And what's the formula for solving the circumference of a circle? For the volume of a rectangular solid, that's how much space is inside a box like this. Volume of a rectangular solid. And know how to find sales tax and discount. Remember, on sales tax and discount, it is the price that is given over 100 equals, and then if it's a 6% sales tax or a 75% discount, that is down here, 6, and your missing number would then be either your tax or your discount. Tax or discount. And if it's tax, so this is one of your answers. This will be either the tax or the discount. It will say, give the amount that the tax is, give the amount that the discount is. Remember, you need to round those off. If you do it right, you'll have a decimal, like a 3-place or a 4-place decimal. Once you divide it by 100, round that off to the nearest cent, to the nearest hundredths place, and then that is either your tax or your discount. All right? So your tax or your discount, your missing number, I'm just going to put in your missing number is either your tax or your discount. Okay? If it says sales tax, you add this to the price to get the final price then. If it says discount, you subtract that from the price to get the final answer. I need 2 answers. And I need 2 answers on the spaces where I can see that. Not just 2 answers, somewhere in your work you happen to have the right answer and I notice it and stuff, but I need, so your final should be, either tax or discount, tax or discount equals, and then final price, something like that. All right? This test is on Tuesday. Test 16 is on Tuesday. This is your review for that. All right? I will see you. I don't know. I don't know if I'll see you again or not, right? Who knows? Hopefully. I think we will.